Now let's work sort on table. I just create a table, insert table, 3 columns I think is enough. For style, I want to change something like this and give a title, row, value, and percent, row 1, 2, 3, and if you go to the end and press tab, you could add more rows. 4 and 5, value 5, 6, 2, 3, and 9, and percent 50%, 40, 80, 65, and 90%. Alright. Now if I select my table, I could go to the home and click on the sort, or in the layout, also we have sort in the data section. Doesn't matter if I click, it still is open same. By default, Microsoft Word recognizes it as table and it has rows. Of course we have. And now we have the row, value, and percent. I want to sort, let's say, first based on percent. Actually, I want to have some common values. Maybe 6 and 6, but percent are different. Okay, select again. Alright, now I will go to the sort. Let's sort first based on the value column. It is number, descending. And then I could sort percent, let's say ascending. Although we don't have any common values with same columns, doesn't affect it. But using paragraphs, because we have only the same value and text, it is not affecting here. And of course it is header and OK. And note that all rows gonna sort together. And note that by default, because I selected the whole table, if I go to the options, the sort option sort column only is not enabled. Sometimes you don't want to change the order of all fields, which called the rows or record, and only want to change the value of one column. First, let me bring back the sort based on the row. So non-row number ascending. Okay. Now I want to change only this order of row. So you could select only one column instead of whole. Go to sort. If I sort now ascending or descending, they will affect the whole values together. Note that, for instance, again descending row. Go to options and checkmark now sort column only. Note that if I press OK and then OK, check it out here, the values won't affect it for rest of columns. Only my selected row is affected. And note that these options work even if I select multiple columns until do not select the whole columns. Even if I select 2 columns and go to sort and options, still it is enabled. But in this case, it's not going to recognize multiple fields because of my selection. The paragraph section is going to work especially when you have multiple header and text. Just as a quick demonstration, I say header 1 and type a paragraph, let's say 3 paragraph and 5 sentences. Header 2 and header 3. Okay, this is heading and heading and heading. Now if I select my text and go to the sort, now instead of paragraph, I could select headings. Of course, we have text here. Let's say descending and OK. Now my header is changed. Note that also the paragraphs came with the text. But be aware, in this case, if you have header and text, if you choose paragraph, for instance, let's say ascending, and choose the header row, it is the wrong combination. Note that for header 3, the paragraph starts with to change. If I press OK, you see to change, it came here, and my sort order, it is wrong.